I'm Pat Pattison, host of Best of LA Awards, and I'm here with Marshall Lambert, owner of Rene's Van and Storage here in Los Angeles, and he is the proud recipient of our Best Van and Storage in Los Angeles Award. Marshall, congratulations.
Thank you. We're very excited.
Yeah, that's great.
Awesome.
And what a facility. This is kind of tucked away by Griffith Park and the zoo.
Yes.
And amazing.
Yeah.
How many square feet?
We're just a little over 88,000 square feet.
Wow.
Yeah. So we're a large facility. We have, I think, like 8 or 9 dock doors. And,
Wow, it's very impressive.
Yeah.
And you're celebrating your 85th year.
85th year in
You
business.
don't look that old. You really have done very well.
Well, thank you. I dusted myself off before we had the interview. No, my great grandfather started in the moving industry, and my grandfather kind of took it to the next level.
Okay.
And so my grandparents, Rainey and Marjorie, they ran the company solely until about 2016.
Okay.
With the help of my uncles. I have 3 uncles, and so they did that. And so we worked out a deal, and I bought the company in 2016.
Wow, good for you. That's awesome. That's awesome. So, what makes you special?
Recently seen in the LA Times, front page of the business section this year, and just kind of talking about the heritage and how the company's been. And,
well, I know people are more aware of using local businesses, supporting the local economy.
Sure.
So that's got to be a big factor.
It's a huge factor for us. I mean,
local jobs. You're not a part of a big conglomerate.
No, we're an independent. We were part of a larger moving company
Consortium.
Yeah, so to speak. But we broke away and went independent. We still work with plenty of moving companies because being that you're a smaller, more niche market, you sometimes need to help with Big Brother, so to speak, and
going
we
across
call out
country.
I mean, we do a lot of local moves, but we also do long distance moves.
Sure.
But we try to keep it here in Los Angeles because that's where we kind of take care of our clients.
Yeah. Movers to the stars.
You could say that. Yes, absolutely.
That's so great.
We moved Ronald Reagan into the White House.
Oh my gosh!
So we moved out too.
Oh my gosh!
That's
incredible.
Yeah.
That's incredible. What was? Oh, you can't tell me.
I can't tell you because I don't remember. I just remember knowing we moved him.
That's right. Well, thank you. Thank you.
No problem.
And this is Pat Pattison, the host of Best of LA here at Rene's Van and Storage, the best moving and storage here in Los Angeles. Thank you, and join us next time.